2015 Cadillac CTC, I think. But all those Cadillacs, they have a problem with the screen. It's a touch screen, so you can see it's cracked on both sides. Sometimes the whole screen is cracked like this. So and the screen is working, but it's kind of ugly. But sometimes this wire connector, it breaks right here, where is it? You can see here. Sometimes it breaks here and the screen doesn't work at all. So I replaced few of those screens already. So the screen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. So to get to the screen, to remove those screws, you need to mount this thing, this unit, I mean cover, whatever box. It's going here, it goes here. Okay, so I'll show you the screws that hold this thing. There's like some of the screws you can see like that they attach to this box, but two screws, they kind of hide it like inside there. So here is one, there is you can see the hole. This is one screw and this is another one. I'm pointing with my finger, so this is another screw. And here, one is here, one here, and then one here, one here, and just pull it out the box. So and one more screw is here, as you can see, the screw going here. It's gonna be here, by here. So the total of the screws, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 on the top. So 7 screws on this box. Then remove the screen. So some of the bolts, I mean screws, you can see on here and this side, and one screw is right here. So you need to remove this box to get to this screw. And the connector for the screen, I'll show you now. Okay, this is the connector. It's connected right here to this thing. Just so nothing hard. It's like probably 34 minutes of work, job, whatever. So please subscribe and for new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.